is the most efficient method of getting my data from the sensors to the QCloudServer. That's what we will be covering in the next 3-minute video. Hi, my name is Kathleen Falsetti, and I will take you through the Site.io configuration form so that you can put the information into the format that we need to create your semi-custom dashboard for your application. So let's get started. Download this Excel spreadsheet from our website. Fill it out and then save as a PDF and send it to Quantum Automation with your PO number or credit card information. And we will set up your site in the QCloudServer. It usually takes us about 4 hours to build your dashboard for up to 16 discrete inputs, 16 discrete outputs, and 8 analog inputs. Please type in your company name, attach your company logo that we will put onto your dashboard. Type in the name of your project. Who are the project manager and site manager? And what is their phone number and email so that the QCloudServer can send them an alarm notification? What is the name of that particular site? Please put a date and revision number in the event that you ever want to modify this site. Help us know if you need to plan for loss of power, loss of communication, and what type of communication will you be using, like LAN, Wi-Fi, or cellular. So let's get into the real meat. Let's do an analog input, for example. Is it current, like 4 to 20 milliamp, or voltage, like 1 to 5 volts? What is the tag name that you want to see in the dashboard? We will also be using this tag name in the database. Provide a brief description. Can you tell us the actual model number in the event that we need to look at its datasheet? What's its scale range? Please provide the engineering units. What kind of accuracy in decimal points do you require for this analog input? We now need the low alarm and the high alarm points. Do you want to log this data, yes or no? What is the duration of that log? Continuous, for a batch, for a shift, for a day, a week, or a month? What is the interval and how often do you want the data point to be logged? 1 second, 1 minute, every 15 minutes, every hour? Trend this data? In an alarm situation, do you want this point's alarm message to be sent to the project manager and the site manager via text and email? If so, what do you want the alarm message to say? The rest is up to us. We'll develop your dashboard that you can view on a web browser or on your smartphone. So remember, when you log data, you have to always ask yourself, can it help us increase productivity, decrease costs, improve quality, make the workplace safer, adhere to regulatory requirements? If you want to hear more about the QCloudServer, please continue watching. If you want to purchase the QCloudServer services or license, please go to quantumautomation.com or call 714-854-0800. My name is Kathleen Falsetti, and I thank you for watching. For power, control, and networking products, think Quantum Automation.